Welcome! In this video, we will learn about the functionality of the entry list. The entry list currently contains one entry group, which contains 3 subgroups and one individual entry. The first subgroup, starter molecules, contains 4 entries. Because the blue circle is filled next to dimethylpyridine, we see its structure in the workspace. We refer to this structure as included. Whichever structure is included appears in the workspace. Click the empty circle next to the TiCl4 entry to include the structure instead of the dimethylpyridine molecule. The circle next to TiCl4 is now filled blue, and the structure appears in the workspace. To include multiple entries, hold Shift or Command depending on your operating system and click several circles. The structures will overlap in the workspace. In the workspace configuration tools, you can use the tile option to show multiple structures side by side. When one or several rows are highlighted in the entry list, we refer to these as selected. Practice selecting one or more entries. To select many, hold Shift or Command depending on your operating system and click several entry rows. MS Maestro uses a select first paradigm, meaning that the selected entry or entries are now ready to be operated on with some subsequent tasks. Please note that besides the selection of entries in the entry list, we also use the term selection to refer to selecting components within the workspace, for example, atoms or molecules. Inclusion and selection are independent, meaning that an entry can be both selected and included, but it can also be just selected or just included. Typically, we will select one or more entries that we wish to perform some sort of modeling task on. Finally, let's take a moment to learn about manipulating the entry list in general. There are many possible operations, but let's look at 3 common ones. First, to change the name of an entry, double-click on its name in the entry row and type in a new name. Next, to change the order of entries, click, hold, and drag. And finally, right-click on any entry to access several additional options, including splitting, duplicating, deleting, and grouping. Use these options to keep your project organized. You should now be comfortable managing your entries.